going to turn her head, and we're going to start with some lymphatic drainage. So I'm actually going to start by rolling down to encourage drainage. And when I go down, I'm using lighter pressure than I will when I start to go up. So you can see, like, I have to start with the point of my fingers on, and then I roll down to the bottom of my hand and then off. So that's one pass. Now I'm going to go back up. And when I go up, I can use just a little bit more pressure, especially when you get to that bone right there. And now we're going to do my favorite motion, which is a zigzag. So I'm going to roll up to where I hit her zygomatic bone, and we're going to zigzag on the zygomatic and then roll down. So you're going up and zigzag and give it some good pressure there and down. I'm going to roll up and switch down. So we're draining now. And then I finish on her eyes. So eyes, we're going to push up into that brow bone and then roll to the side. And you just walk along that brow. I did take her headband off because you do want to get a little bit into that hairline. And then that's part one side of the face. So now I'm going to put the poultice back in the warmer so it can get hot again. And while it gets hot, I'm going to do some pressure points.